How to read CPAP data card. Have you ever wondered how to make sense of the data from your continuous positive airway pressure machine? If you use a CPAP machine for sleep apnea, understanding your data card can be very helpful. This card records important information about your therapy each night, and knowing how to read it can improve your sleep quality. First, let's talk about what information is stored on the CPAP data card. Your machine records details like how many hours you used it, the pressure settings, leak rates, and events like apneas and hypopneas. Each of these points gives you a clearer picture of how well your therapy is working. One of the key data points is usage hours. This shows how many hours you wore your CPAP each night. Consistent use is essential for effective treatment. Next, you will see the pressure setting, which indicates the air pressure delivered by your machine. This can either be fixed or auto-adjusting, depending on your prescription. Another important aspect is the leak rate. This tells you how much air is escaping from your mask. If the leak rate is high, it can reduce the effectiveness of your therapy, and you may need to adjust your mask. The Apnea-Hypopnea Index is also crucial. This number indicates how many times your breathing was partially or completely blocked per hour of sleep. A lower Apnea-Hypopnea Index means better control of sleep apnea. To access and read the data, you will typically remove the data card from your CPAP machine and insert it into a computer. Some machines also allow for wireless data transfer. You can use specialized software to display your nightly data in graphs and charts. For example, the flow rate graph shows your breathing pattern throughout the night. Inhalations appear above the zero line, while exhalations are below. Sudden drops in this graph can indicate events like apneas or mask leaks. The event graph flags specific incidents, allowing you to see when and how often they occurred. Regularly reviewing your CPAP data is beneficial. It helps you spot trends, such as increasing Apnea-Hypopnea Index or persistent leaks, which may signal the need for adjustments. Sharing this data with your healthcare provider can lead to personalized therapy adjustments. For effective data review, check your data at least weekly. Look for patterns, such as increased events at certain times of the night, which might relate to your sleep position. Keeping a simple log of how you feel each morning alongside your data can help connect therapy effectiveness with daily symptoms. Understanding your CPAP data puts you in control of your treatment. It allows you to make informed decisions and work closely with your healthcare team. Regular data review is a practical step toward successful CPAP therapy.